My name's Reece. I'm new to the whole property thing, so I don't know where else to go with this.
What's the event?
The event's for rent to rent and HMO, sort of stuff like that.
I think you hold the microphone
A bit closer.
point it towards you.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
But who's the event? Who runs the event?
Samuel Leeds.
How did you hear about it?
So I follow him on social medias. I see a few of his videos and bits. He actually had an advertisement for the last crash course in London. I applied for that, and then following on from the crash course, I then signed up for the Freedom Challenge, and here we are.
Excellent. And do you feel like you're learning a lot?
Yeah, I mean, quite a lot to learn for that. I'm a beginner, but yeah, I'm making progress and stuff. Just baby steps at the moment.
Incredible. And what's Samuel's energy like? What's it like being taught by him?
Energetic. It's good. Yeah, very sort of what's the word? It boosts you, and you feel good whilst you're in there. Like everyone's friendly, even the other people, like the peers around you and stuff. Like it's a good environment to be in.
Incredible. So the event's almost over. How do you feel leaving? Like, what are you going to take out into your business?
For me, is definitely like the strategies and stuff, like how to find the deals and stuff. I am working on a little bit on my communication and that, and how to sort of put forward to the landlords and the tenants. Just sort of develop my skills a little bit for the time being.
Fantastic. And actually, in the room over the last 4 days, have any deals been made? Have you been seeing any of that?
Not as yet for myself, but
I mean, have you seen people doing that?
there has been a few people. There's a couple of people that have sort of just started and joined the academy, and having conversations with them. One lad, he's made 4 deals and stuff already. So yeah, it does happen.
And what's it like seeing that?
Oh, it's exciting. You know it's possible then. And it's people in the same sort of categories I am, and they're doing it. So there's no reason why I can't.
Incredible. Final question. To anyone who's thinking about getting into property, would you recommend Samuel Leeds?
Yes, definitely.
Why is that?
It's just the way he teaches and the network he's got around him and stuff. There's so much resources and stuff available to you. So.
That's everything. Reece, can I get you to hold up your lanyard to the camera?
Yep.
Fantastic. Cool. Appreciate your time, man.
Thank you. Cheers.
Appreciate it.